Welcome back to Ethan Wonder Surprise. We got the slime already, and I'm gonna show you what it is. Doesn't it look cool, guys? And did you notice Squishy has teeth, guys? Well, slime time. Mama, do you think people that we don't know watch Ethan Wonder Surprise?
I don't know. Why don't you ask them?
Does anyone not that we not watch Ethan Wonder Surprise?
If you're watching, leave us a comment and tell us if we know you in real life, yes or no.
And the little sprinkles, guys, are turning little glittery. And they're shrinking. See how small they're turning, guys? They're turning very small. Wow. Now you know it's slime time. Oh my, he's not even slime. Isn't that crazy? I'm going in the short. I'm going in the short. Oh, I'm not even messy. I'm not even messy. Oh, I'm not even messy. Oh, I'm not even messy. I'm playing in the water. I'm playing in the water. Look at me. I'm getting twisted up by a water storm. See? Look at me. I'm getting twisted up by a water storm. Let's see what it means when he's out. Okay, guys? Guys, look what he made. We have to show Dada this, Mama.
Yeah, well, hopefully he watches Ethan Wonder Surprise.
Yeah. Wait, so is there 2 videos but in one day?
There is. We might even need to make it 3 since we're going to have to go and pick up groceries soon. And I don't know if all the sea creatures are going to get their whole turn playing in the slime and having a song written about them.
Mama, isn't the slime cool?
Yep. You made a good purchase.
It kind of looks like ice water. Right, Mama?
I heard you say it was from Walmart. Did Walmart sponsor this video? Do you wish Walmart would sponsor your videos?
I wish they would.
So tell the marketing team at Walmart to contact you.
Walmart, can you watch my video? And my name is Ethan, and it's called Ethan Wonder Surprise. So call back and say, yes, I will. Yes, I will. When I can pay the bill.
Walmart sponsors your videos. You can pay the bills. What bills are you gonna pay? You gonna pay the McDonald's bills? Should McDonald's sponsor your videos too?
Huh?
Tell them.
McDonald's, can you sponsor my video? Then I'm gonna pay you if you do.
No, they pay you.
No, I pay you.
No. No, you don't pay McDonald's.
No, yes I do.
No, they can send you all the Happy Meal toys to try out, and with the money they pay you,
And then
you can go buy a McNugget Happy Meal.
Oh, yeah. I'm a kid who works at Walmart. That's silly, Mama. Yet I'm a kid that works at Walmart.
You have a lot of jobs. You keep busy.
Hey, how can they not all fit? Oh my. Isn't this a lot of stuff? In this
Yes.
Look how big I get. Wow, it's even off. Oh. You're enormous. Mama, you can make it far, right, Mama?
Yep.
Yeah, almost right.
Maybe. You get the last of those animals on, okay? Or those creatures.
Oh, you meant sea creature.
Yep.
Isn't this a yacht? Isn't it a yacht?
Mm-hmm.
Who made a swordfish bag? Don't. Can I go show Dada?
We have to end our video.
Bye. We're gonna come back soon for another half after we're gone.
Thank you for watching Underwater Slime with Ethan Wonder Surprise. Tune in next time to see what we do.
With the slime. Bye. We're gonna do lots of videos today.